And so how did I make $2,946 trading SPY call options? So basically on 12/19, I got into my first SPY call option at 11:20. So looking at SPY at 11:20. Let me move out this. Let me move this out the way. And so basically this candle right here is when I got into my first SPY call option. And the reason I bought here at this specific level, or candle I mean, is because I saw that SPY landed on the 20-day moving average. And basically the strategy consists of buying only SPY once it reaches a certain support level, or when it reaches, or I should say when it lands on a certain moving average. And so basically doing that, right, I tried my best to place SPY using the moving averages, and then play SPY using, support levels as well. So basically you can see right here that throughout the day I just bought SPY throughout the day. And basically I did that because I basically wanted to, let's say my position was down 10%, I would want to buy more, more call options. That way, when instead of my position being down 10%, it would be down 5%. And so basically I would also try to implement, support levels too as well. So I wouldn't just randomly buy here or there, right? I would just try my best to look out for moving averages and also for like support levels. And so my last call option that I bought from SPY was 12:20, which is the next following day. So at 10:53, which is this candle right here. Yeah, this candle right here where it says 11. Basically, that's the last time that I bought a single SPY call option. And then I sold out at 11:31, which is literally the next candle. And the reason I sold out of my position here is because I saw that my position was up now. Originally this position was gonna be a $3,031.08 gain, but me being me, right, I took a screenshot because I want to show you guys something. And basically what this strategy consists of doing is basically you wanna pay attention by how much your position is up, the percentage. And basically once you have that in mind, right, you basically want to ignore this number by how much you're up. If you're up, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, right, completely ignore that, honestly, because it's not really helpful in my case. Basically this is what the strategy consists of, like, doing, right? Basically you try to buy you try your best to buy SPY around certain moving averages, right? So for example, I bought SPY. Did I buy SPY here? Wait, hold on. I bought my first SPY call option at 11:20, right? On 12/19. So at 11:20 I bought my first call option as soon as it landed on the 20-day moving average, right? And then throughout the day you can see that there was downwards momentum, right? And so basically what I tried to do during the day was basically, okay, I see that my position is now down 10%. I'm gonna buy a couple of call options once this percentage right here, I should probably show you guys. So you see that, percentage where it says 20%, right? So basically throughout the day, right, I bought that first call option on the 20-day moving average, right? And then you can see that SPY was having downwards momentum, right, during the day. So from 11:30 there was downwards momentum towards the downside. And basically what I tried to do was basically pay attention to this percent. Basically I wanted to see, okay, if I'm down 10%, right, I'm gonna buy another call option. That way my call option, instead of being down 10%, I'm down maybe 6 or 7%. Okay, now that the position is once again down 10% again, right, I basically wait for the position to be down now 15%. Okay, I buy another call option at the 15%, and then now my position is now down. Instead of being down 15%, I'm down like, I don't know, maybe 11 or 12%. And then let's say the position is now down 15% again, right? Okay, I now buy another call option, right, around 20%. And now instead of being down 20%, I'm down now around 16 or 17%. And then basically, looking into that, right, I also try to, look at the, the support levels of SPY, right? So basically when I bought at the 11:30 candle, right, as soon as it landed on the 20-day moving average, right, I saw, okay, there's a small support level around 585, right? 585, right? And so throughout the day, I was looking to, buy SPY call options around that support level 585. You can see here at the 12:30 candle, SPY reached 585 during the day, and then the next candle reached 585. And so basically I tried my best to buy SPY call options around that small support level. That way when SPY would have that, momentum towards the upside, or when SPY would go up, I guess you could say my position would be in the green a lot more faster than just, I don't know how to explain it, but I don't even want to explain it because I don't think I'm going to do a good job. But basically I try to implement, using support levels in a way when trading SPY. And then you can see I wanted to also pay close attention to, like, okay, is SPY gonna try to break certain moving averages, right? You can see that this candle right here, the 15:30 candle and the 16 candle, had trouble breaking the 9-day moving average. So I basically aim to buy, again, right, at that small support level around 585, right? And then if I recall, right, somewhere around 15:30, right, the position was down like almost, I want to say 15%, right? And then so what did I do, right? Once I saw that the 16 candle reached a low of 583, right, I bought, some call options, right? And instead of being down 15 or 17% down the day, right, it brought my position to being down now, I think it was 12 or 11%. And then you can see that the next day, right, I patiently waited to see if SPY could ride the momentum towards breaking above the, the 20 and the 50-day moving average, right? And then I saw that basically SPY was riding above the 9-day moving average. And basically what the 9-day moving average is, it's like a short-term bullish indicator for like day trading in a way. So it did a perfect job of, of telling me that, okay, SPY is in a bullish position right now. Basically, you will see more upside from SPY in the upcoming, hours in a way from SPY, right? And so that did happen, and that's when at 11:30 I sold out of SPY because I saw that, okay, it's reaching 180, the 180-day moving average. I'm not gonna risk my luck and wait and see if SPY can break the 180-day moving average. So I'm just gonna sell out for a 20% gain. But when I took the screenshot, right, it was a little too late. So when I sold out the position, I only made $2,946 trading SPY call options. And so I basically, like I said, I try to, implement the percentage, I guess the percentage into my strategy in a way. Basically, once the position is down 10%, buy a SPY call option. That way your average can be down 5%. And then I basically try to, see, the support levels, right? And try to buy at these, support levels that SPY will eventually reach in a way. That way also my average can be in a better spot, because in a way, timing is kind of the key to everything in a way. And I don't know, I just feel like I feel like timing is sort of like something that you do need to master in the market in a way. But then again, right, I do feel like this strategy that, I'm talking about right now, right, it's still a little new. And I do feel like I will need to perfect it a little bit more. So that's pretty much it. I don't have really much to say other than I made, $2,946 trading SPY call options. So this is by far the biggest, I guess I want to say the biggest, gain made in a day, sort of. So basically it was made in 2 days. So I bought SPY call options on December 19th. Then I sold out my SPY call options on December 20th. And so this is probably the biggest gain that I've seen in 2 days. So it's pretty crazy. So basically, just to to like summarize in a way, you basically want to you want to pay attention to your percentage, right? And then you want to implement like support levels in your strategy. So buy around like certain support levels, or buy around like if SPY lands on moving averages, right? And then basically have a game plan, right? Have a game plan where when are you gonna sell out, right? So basically for this strategy, once the position is up 10 or 20%, right? Yeah, if it's up more than 10 or 20%, I'm out, because I don't want to risk my luck knowing that I could have made that money and secured a win, instead of regretting it and be like, oh yeah, I missed out on $2,000 and now I'm down like $17,000. I don't want to do that, in a way. So this strategy in a way is kind of, I don't know, it's kind of scary, because it's worked already like 3 times already. 3 times. So 3 times or 4 times. I don't know how many times I've traded SPY in a way, but I want to say it's worked. Using this strategy has been a little crazy. It's crazy. So and then also it's just like I don't know what else to say, to be honest with you. But basically, if you wanna learn how to trade options, right, purchase my ebook. It's in the description below, and if you're seeing this on TikTok, it's in the IG bio. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys will do super good trading this week. And if you have any questions, right, let me know. I'll try to answer it. I feel like I don't do a really good job at explaining this stuff, really, but I'm gonna try to keep explaining this strategy. That way I also can understand how to say it in a better way. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care and bye.